What's the meaning of apocryphal? Apocryphal. Apocryphal.
Apocryphal. Apocryphal. The term apocryphal refers to something that is of questionable authenticity or origin, often used to describe stories or claims that lack reliable evidence. It suggests that the information may be false or unreliable, and is commonly associated with myths, legends, and rumors. Apocryphal stories can be difficult to distinguish from true accounts, especially as they may be passed down through generations or take on a life of their own. In general, when something is described as apocryphal, it means that its veracity is uncertain or disputed.